One is if you need to look up an order and connect to our SQL database. Right now, if I did that with just an MCP connector, it would be like the raw SQL example. You just put in a SQL command and say, yeah, go for it. Why not? But then the second reason is we actually have some complexity in our company, which is if someone provides us with an order number, that could be from any, I think it's one of 3 systems that we have orders in. And that's obviously a bit of technical debt. I think a lot of companies have technical debt. But we have different order numbers, and it could be from the e-commerce platform, it could be from the warehouse, or it could be from our ERP. Now, I could spend, as I mentioned before, all day just documenting in the system prompt. Here's all of the different orders we have and places you can go, and it probably still wouldn't be deterministic, right? It would be making things up. So instead, what we did is we just created a workflow that basically just queries based on any provided order number. So it will take any order number that might be useful. It doesn't really matter. In fact, it even says here what it can be. It can be either of these things. And then it does a few queries, which these are of course using actual SQL parameters. So they're well protected queries with protecting against SQL injection, for example. And then we get carts, we get orders. We might say, I think this actually matches on 2 different things. And then we would just respond with that information. So it's a simple workflow, really, really simple. And I think what I might call out for a moment is that as I've begun transitioning our use of Tray into this MCP setup, I am finding that our workflows are becoming almost like microservices, like they're becoming micro workflows, they're becoming smaller. Because instead of us trying to build this whole robust, all-in-one iPaaS solution, we're just adding these little drops of determinism into what the agent can do.